What is your last class?
We discussed about operation modes.
This is my system, okay? In every system, we have our work processes, correct?
Yes.
Every instance we have a work process. Not only system, every instance will have a work process. Central instance, dialog instance, every instance will have a work process, correct?
Yes.
For example, dialog instance, dialog work process are 10. Background
BTC.
work process are 10. Okay. And update
Update.
2. And we have update 2 also, V1 and V2, right?
Yes.
And whole 1, one more,
NQ.
and Q1. Mainly the purpose of the operation modes. See, the scenario is like this. My business hours, like morning 9 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. for example, okay? And non-business hours,
7 p.m. to morning 8 a.m.
evening 7 p.m. to morning 9 a.m., right?
Yes.
So what is mean by business hours and what is mean by non-business hours? Any idea?
Business hours knows number of users connected to SAP system and working on that. Accessing business data more compared to business hours to non-business hours.
Yes. So in business hours, I have more dialogue users will log in, right?
Yes.
There are so many users will log in a business hours and my core business will run in my business hours only. Core business in the sense the business transactions, business programs, business reports will run in business hours only, right? 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. for example. So in that time, what type of users will log in? All are maximum dialogue users only, right? Every dialogue user required which type of work process?
Dialogue work process.
Dialogue work process is required, correct?
Yes.
Now, if I scheduled any program in a background mode, then what type of work process is required?
BTC.
Background work process is required, right?
Yes.
So, in business hours, more users will log in as a dialogue mode. So at that time, I required more dialogue work processes in my instance, correct?
Yes.
If you have a less dialogue work processes, if you have a more users are trying to log in, if you don't have a enough work processes, then what will happen?
Unable to log in.
Your system will hang, right?
Yes.
All the dialogue work processes are occupied by my dialogue users. So there is no enough dialogue work processes to log in into the system. Then what will happen? Ultimately your system will hang. Why? Because there is no other dialogue work process is
Handle.
available to log in into the system, right?
Yes.
So ultimately users will raise a question, we are unable to log in into the SAP system. So, for example, if all the dialogue work processes are occupied, then as a basis consultant also, if you want to log in, you also require a dialogue work process, right?
Yes.
So at that time, what will happen? There is no dialogue work process is available. All dialogue work processes are occupied, and as a basis consultant also, you are not able to log in into the system.
Yes.
Then what we need to do? We need to log in into the OS level through SID ADM user, right?
Yes.
At OS level, we need to log in and we need to execute a command. The command is dpmon. Okay, using this dpmon command, I can see what why the work processes are occupied. What is the reason? Is there any work processes are hang state? Okay, and I can kill the work processes using dpmon command. Got it?
Yes.
Next. So in my business hours, maximum users are dialog users, and there are very less jobs will run in background mode, correct?
Yes.
I'm talking about business hours. In business hours, less jobs will run in background mode. Why? Because most of the users will execute the reports in a dialog mode only, correct?
Yes.
So if you're talking about a non-business hours, so in non-business hours, very less users will log in, right?
Yes.
Very less users are login means what? Very less dialogue work process will use,
User.
right?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Got it, sir.
And my business reports, my business jobs will run in non-business hours, right?
Yes.
For this, I require a background work process.
That work process.
So what will happen? So here my requirement is, in a business hours, I required more dialogue work processes. In a non-business hours, I required a more background
Uh,
work.
Background work process.
So every time after business hours, I cannot change manually. Change means I cannot decrease dialogue process. I cannot increase background work process.
Every day.
Again, if it is a business hours, I cannot increase the dialogue process. I cannot decrease the background work process. If it is non-business hours, I cannot decrease the dialogue process. I cannot increase the background work process. Every day, every time manually, I cannot do that. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So I want automatic switch between dialogue work process and background work process. Right?
Yes.
It means my intention is automatically it should increase, dialog
Increase
process should increase and
business
background
hours, background work
should
process, and
decrease.
non-business hours. Yes.
In non-business hours, dialog process should decrease,
Decrease.
background
Back.
work process should increase. Correct?
Yes.
This dialog and background work process automatic switch I required. This automatic switch we call it as an operation mode. Got it?
Yes.
This concept we call it as an operation modes.
Okay.
So if you want to create an operation modes, we need to create an operation mode name. Okay. For example, my operation mode name is day and another operation mode name is night. Got it?
Yes.
We need to create an operation mode names day and night. So whenever I have created a operation mode day, okay, I will assign the instance and I will assign the work processes. All the work processes I need to assign to my operation
Day.
mode day. Okay. After assigning, then I can increase or I can decrease the work processes. Got my point?
Yes.
I can increase or I can decrease work processes. And in night also same. Operation mode I need to create a night with the name of night, and after that I need to assign the work processes to this operation mode. and after that I can increase or I can decrease the work process. Okay, and whenever operation mode has been created, whenever you have assigned the dialog process, you need to create a time. You need to mention the time for day operation mode. Means you need to mention the time interval. What type of time interval you required for the day operation mode. For example, my time required is 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. I need to assign the time intervals for this operation mode. Got it?
Yes.
And after that, for operation mode night, I need to assign the time intervals. What is my time interval? 7 p.m. to 9 a.m. I need to assign the time interval, right?
Yes.
So whenever you have assigned the time interval for day operation mode and night operation mode, after whenever 9 a.m. is occurred, 9 a.m. is occurred, then what will happen? Automatically dialog work process will be increased, background work process will be decreased. Means automatically it will be switchable. Work process will be switch.
Yes.
Okay. This concept is called it as the operation mode. '79, right?
No.
No?
39. 168, no?
Sorry?
8989 triple 389.
Oh, 89. Okay. Why no one has joined?
I don't know. Actually, they have checked or not. But Mosaic should join. He's always pinging. Mm,
Okay,
no.
no problem. Actually, lot of gaps are there, right?
Yes, yes.
So from today onwards, we will continue daily.
Oh,
Due to my I'm coming late. What is the password? You kept. See here, RZ04. To create operation modes, what is the T code? RZ04. Okay.
uh, okay.
Okay. Now I want to create an operation mode, right? First of all, so create operation mode. My operation mode name is I'm creating a day. Okay. Short description. This is for day operation mode. Okay.
Okay.
Save. My day operation mode has been created, and again I want to create one more operation mode night. This is for night operation mode. created. Both are created, right?
Yes.
Now what I need to do? Operation mode,
Instance.
timetable, date. We need to assign the work process, correct?
Yes.
Double click, create a new instance, host name. What is my host name? SAP Basis SRV. And profile.
Default profile.
Instance and start, right?
Yes.
Start profile and here
Default.
instance profile. See here, whenever I have selected instance profile, I got my dialog or process list. Dialog, background, update. Total how many I have? 27,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Go to save, pick the log. There are unknown parameters are there. No problem. Continue. Now, I need to assign operation mode, right?
Yes.
For this I will take a day. Day I am assigning. Okay. Here I can increase or I can decrease.
Okay.
Okay. We'll do save it. Day, save. Operation mode day is not a production operation mode. Okay. Exit. Yes. Okay. Assign work process distribution to operation mode. Yes. We have assigned, right? Already. For day it has been assigned, right?
Yes.
For night was night also it's fine. We need
Day.
to change.
Day.
We need to change it.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, hi
Mujahid.
Ramu.
Yeah, hi Muzaid. What happened?
Yeah, yeah, I missed the session because
Sorry?
my phone was not working. I missed the ID.
Oh, okay, okay. Then how you know?
No, I just recharged the phone.
Okay. Okay, got it. No problem. So we are discussing about the operation modes.
Yeah.
Profile, start profile, instance profile, save it, continue, day, save it, exit, other operation mode, night, save it. Okay, exit. No. Yeah, what happened? Here, per day, work process distribution. SAP Basis survey. I need to assign this and save it. Yes. Okay. And again, I need to assign one more night. Again, save it. Yes. Okay. Then close it. Yes. Already assigned, right? Exit. Assign no. So now, see here. Now I have assigned the work process, right?
Yes.
Previously, why it was not assigned? We have taken a small letters DAY here. We have typed DAY small letters. Okay. You need to select from the list. You need to select this from the list. Okay. Got it?
Can we modify that dialog in
Yes. Yes.
work
We can do that.
process there?
First, yes. Yes. First step, what we created operation modes, day and night. And second step, what we did done? Second step, we
Assign.
have assigned the work
Assign.
process to operation modes. Okay. Now come back. Now here, select the operation mode. Go to operation mode, timetable, change. Here I need to assign the time, right? Morning 9 to evening 7, right?
Yes.
This is my operation for day. Morning 9 to evening 7. See, colors are changing, right? Assign which operation mode I need to assign this day timings? Day.
Day.
Okay. This for day. And the remaining 7 to 9. See, colors are changed, right? Black.
Yes.
Assign
You have
and
selected only 5 o'clock only day.
where?
9 to 5 p.m. only you have selected. Okay.
Oh, okay, got it. Night. So now these are the my day operation mode and remaining are night operation mode, correct? Save it. Come back. Now here I want to increase and I want to decrease. This is a day, right? So I want decrease my background work process. 3 is enough for me. Okay?
Okay.
Save. Now night I want increase background work process. See, the total count is not changing. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
save. See here, in dialog, in day operation mode, how many dialogues are there? 20. How many background work process? 3.
Only
In night, dialog processes are 5. Background work processes are
18.
18. So whenever time came, in that time, what will happen? Based on my operation mode timings, my work process will be
Change.
changed. The work process list will be changed. Means it will increase the work process. Got it?
Yes.
Save it. And come back. So now my operation modes are created. 9 to 5 and 5 to 9. Okay?
So system will automatically switch.
Yes.
Yes.
9 to 7 dialog process will be increased, background work process will be decreased. 5 to 9 to 5, sorry. 5 to 9 background work process will increase, background work process will increase and dialog work process will decrease. This switch will happen automatically based on my operation mode timings. So this switch will happen automatically. This is called operation mode switch. Okay. So every time no need to log in into the system, every time no need to change the work process distribution, okay, increase and decrease, no need to do manually.
How can we do manually? Sometimes if we require same process, same procedure.
If you want to, again, if you want to do any increase or decrease, same procedure, come to operation modes. You are talking about operation modes
Yes.
or manually?
Manually, I want to change my operation, not operation modes.
There is
Manually,
no
I want
operation.
to increase dialog work processor or decrease background work.
Huh. So there is no operation modes are defined in my system at present. Okay. Now I want to increase my dialog process. I want to decrease my dialog background process. Right. Then what will happen? /n rz10. Where is my work process list? In which profile? My work process are available.
Instance.
Instant.
Instance, go to change mode. Okay. Here, go to dialog. Here I can change it. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
So this will change overall work process.
Yes, it will change.
Okay.
So in RJ10 instance profile, select the work process profile parameter name. This is a work process for dialog, right? rdip/wp no dia means what? Work process number dialogues. The work process number BTC means background. NQ, update to spool. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. In real
So,
time, operation modes will be there definitely.
sorry?
In real time, operation modes will be configured.
Yes,
Surely the operation mode concept
yes,
will. Okay.
yes, definitely. That is one-time activity only.
Yes.
Can we add one more mode, Ramu? Just
Yeah,
to
sure.
have a view, quick view.
Okay. So whenever you change the work process in here, RJ10, then what you need to do? You need to take a restart of your SAP. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
This is not a dynamic switchable. You need to restart your SAP. /n rz04. rz04 is the T code to create my operation modes.
Okay.
Okay. Create. Here I need to assign operation mode name.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. For example, short description. These were afternoon. Okay, save it. Now operation mode created.
Yeah, okay.
Now first step is operation mode create. That is done.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Second step, I need to assign the work processes. Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So double click on that. Again, I need to create a new instance. My host name, my start and my instance. I got all the work process list based on my instance profile. Okay. Save it. Continue. There is already a server defined. Okay.
So we have sent all 24 hours, then only it is showing like this.
Yes, yes. Correct. Uh, Go to night. We'll change the time. Night,
Yes.
table. For night, we'll take
22, 22, 20. 22,
from here
22. Okay.
from here. Assign night with this delete assignment. We'll delete the assignments. Now we have deleted, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So again, we'll change it for day morning 6 to 1 o'clock. Assign this for day. Okay, and 1 to 4 assign this for afternoon. The remaining or night. Got it?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Double click on that start time and double click on that end time. Assign the operation mode. Save it. Come back. Now timings are created, right? Per
Yeah,
day I
we have
have,
double click.
yes. Now, first step is create a operation modes. Second
Mm.
step, assign the timings. Here, third step, I need to assign the
Work process.
work process. All work process I need to assign. Here, save it, continue. we're not creating a new instance. Maintenance of work process distribution. We'll delete it. Again, we'll create an instance. My host name is SAP Basis SRV, and my start profile is this one, and my instance profile is this one. Now save. It will ask you the operation mode. What type of operation modes I need to give? First one for day. Save it. Yes. And second one for night. Save it. Yes. Third one for afternoon. Save it. Yes. No need to create. So now three created, right?
Yeah.
Double click on that. Here I can increase or I can decrease. Number of dialog process automatically result from total number. Okay. Now here I can increase and I can decrease the work process. Total work process number will not change. Got it? Only dialog and background work process will switch.
Andy.
See. Based on that, I can increase and I can decrease. Okay?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Save it. After that, now see here. Day mode, I have a 15 dialog process. Afternoon, I have a 13 dialog process. Night, I have not changed, right? Night, I will increase my background work process.
What is class A here?
1 second. Save it. Tell me.
What is class A in that
Where?
selection? Double click on night. Yeah, here class A 0.
Where?
Here back down to background class A 0.
Dialog background update NQ work process.
What is class A?
Hmm. Only it is increasing, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Up to 10 it has been increased. But see, whenever it is increasing, the total number of work process will not change because it's
Yeah,
not a
okay.
work process, right? Class A, I think maybe the classifications for this operation mode. So if you increase, it is not increasing work process.
Yeah. But it is going till 10. 1, 2. Okay, this is going till 8.
Hmm. Up to 18. Okay, see here, what is my background of process? Okay, up to there it is going, it is increasing. See, up to 10. Got my point?
Yeah.
And what is my background work process here? Up to 8 only it will increase. It will
Hey,
not
what
exceed.
is what is that value?
Class A means it is a representative of my background work process. Class A means, see, in a background job, we have a job class A, right? Job class A, class B, class C.
Okay, priority, high priority.
Yeah. Yes, yes. So, how many background jobs I have? 8, right?
Yeah.
So, in that, how many priorities I can provide? Job class A. If I given a 3, then what will happen? In that
3
8
work process.
background of process, I can assign 3 as a class A related jobs. Got my point?
Yes.
Job class. We have a job class, right, in SN36.
Yeah. It is there. Yeah.
So if you save it, then what will happen? See here.
Mhm.
Background process. How many I given? Class A is 3. Up to max I can provide up to 8 only.
8.
Why? Because total work process, background work process I have 8 only. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
3 means defining a priority jobs. I can define a 3 priority jobs as a job class A. Got it?
Okay.
So this is the concept of operation modes. Any doubts?
No.
Hmm?
No.
So this will be one time setting, or in real time those will be changing.
Only one time task.
In real time, this is a one-time activity only. But based on our
Yeah.
requirement, if you want to change distribution of work processes list, then we need to modify. But this is a one-time activity only. For example, based on the requirement, I need to change after some time, after some days. My client has been told me increase the work process or decrease the work process. Then what I need to do? I need to change it again, right? As per my requirement.
Yes.
But defining the operation modes is a one-time activity. This is one of the post step. We can call it as a post step. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm. So from today onwards, we will continue our classes here without failing. Maximum will continue, and we have so many topics are pending. We need to
Yes.
cover all the topics. We are in very late. SAP security has been completed, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. CUA is pending. CUA.
Okay, here we'll discuss in last. Background jobs
Yeah. Okay.
completed, right?
RFC.
RF completed, right?
Yes.
Operation modes are completed. Okay. Next, we will discuss about the transport mechanism, TMS
Yeah. Yeah.
configuration.
Logon groups is there, Ramu. Creating logon groups.
Where is that?
Operation modes.
Ah, okay. Logon groups is there, right? Okay, okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the logon groups. After that, we'll start STMS configuration.
Yeah. Yeah.
Once STMS configuration is completed, we'll discuss buffers, memory, and one class, memory management and buffers and all things. After that, printer configuration. Next, daily health check activities. Up to here, all production support activities will complete. And next, we'll go for some activities. Upgrades, patch upgrades, S-Note upgrades, support pack upgrades, kernel upgrades. These are the things, okay? We'll try to cover as soon as possible. We'll try to finish as soon as possible. Okay? Tomorrow we'll continue with logon groups. How to create a logon group. Have you
Okay.
any idea what is the use of logon groups?
Yeah, automatically we have created some groups, no? Department wise or project wise, we have created some groups. Automatically, they log on to that particular group and assigned some security features to that group. As per
No,
my
no, no. You're not clear. You're talking about SAP security?
no. As OS level, I'm talking.
Okay, can you repeat once again? No problem. Tell me your ideas. We'll discuss.
If I create some groups now, if I log into some particular group, if I create two or three groups and create users into the belongs to that group.
Okay, okay. User groups. You are talking about the user groups, right?
Yes, yes.
SUGR T code to create a user group. For
Yes.
example, I have created a basis group name. Okay. In that basis group name, I have created a users, 10 basis users are created. Those 10 users are assigned into the one group name, that is basis.
Yes.
Okay. So that will comes under in SAP security concept.
Okay.
I'm not creating any user groups at operating system level. Where I'm creating? We are not creating at operating system level. We are creating it at SAP level only. SUGRT code, we are creating a group name, and after that, whenever you are creating a users using SU01T code, then we can assign the group name.
Yes.
That is the user groups. This is the logon groups.
Oh.
The main intention to create a logon groups is to distribute the load between the instances. Okay.
Okay.
For example, I have one CI central instance and I have 4 dialog instances are there. How many instances are there right now? Total?
One.
For example, I have one CI and 4 DIs are there. Then total how many instances are there?
5.
5 instances. In 5 instances, I can create a logon group and I can assign some instances to that logon group, and using that logon group my users will connect to the particular instances only. Means what I am doing here, I am doing a load distribution between the instances. Okay. Yeah, we'll discuss tomorrow, no problem.
Yeah. One second. This security where I am trying to do with one user that what you call SU53. I am unable to see what authorization he is missing.
What authorization is missing?
Yeah. That message is coming. You are not authorized to use this transaction. But when I went to SU53, that T code is not getting displayed there.
Okay. Mm, where it is?
In 3389 server.
We are in that server only. 3389.
Okay. Okay. Can I take control?
Okay, just a minute. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Bala.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I
What
have a
happened?
problem. Internet problem.
Sorry?
I have an internet problem here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What's the topic?
Today we discussed about the operation modes, how to create operation modes.
Okay. What about last class? Previous class.
Previous class we discussed the operation modes theoretically. Practically we are not done. So today we have done the practical.
Okay.
I assigned this role, Ramu. So role 7.
Okay. You came already. What transaction code you have assigned? You have assigned nothing.
Yeah. Yeah, star. I am using star.
Okay, go ahead. No, you have not generated the profile. That's why it is
Yeah.
showing yellow.
Okay, generated. Every time we have to do user comparison.
Yes. Whenever you have done any modifications, you need to perform user comparison.
Okay, now we will log in with Amar 2. Message has not come. Okay.
Why you are logging off?
Okay. /0 to log in with my ID.
No problem. Log in with a different ID. Don't need to log off.
Okay. Again, go to Launchpad and click on that one.
Yeah, go ahead. What you are doing, go ahead. No problem.
Yeah. Yes, Ram.
Okay.
Here, no need, no need to give now here.
We need to provide in menu tab, not authorization tab. Right? Where I can assign my T codes.
Yeah, but for this candidate, I no need to assign any T code.
Okay, no problem. What is the password?
456 basis.
Did you observe what happened?
Yeah. But he is able to log in with SU01.
Yes. Four, five, six places. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Ram. But we no need to give SU53 in this role, no?
Sorry.
Without giving SU53 to user, we cannot come to know.
We'll do that. Authorization, change mode, inactive, save. User comparison. Four, five, six. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. What was the issue in earlier case?
In the earlier place, you have maintained the star value in authorization tab.
Yeah, that means it is for all T codes.
Yes. Don't mention star in essence s underscore t code object. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we'll discuss tomorrow. Remaining log on groups. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.